I feel your eyes, their love me, don't be shy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. My name is Nelly, and we're gonna be doing a little, prep day, period. I'm gonna be using the Freeman Cosmic Peel Off Mask. And we're just gonna start off with that. If there's any reason for me to speak in the video, I'm definitely gonna speak in the video, but as of right now, we finna put this mask on and that's just gonna be the vibes. I refuse to use a makeup brush to apply this, so what I need is a little spatula to apply it, but I don't have that, so I'm using my finger, and I've been using my finger all along, so I'm gonna keep using my finger until my finger fall off or I get a little spatula, period. Right now, we finna switch the bonnet. It's kind of like I can't put the mask on my forehead because the bonnet was covering it. So, everything is pretty much, visual. If you're a visual learner, this would be really nice, you feel me? Period. We just gonna be vibing out, chilling, listening to music. And when I need to speak, I'm gonna speak, you feel me? But enjoy. Bye. Looking nice. Let's take that fan, and we're gonna turn it up all the way high. You can get it at the beauty supply store, you feel me? But if you don't have one, you can definitely use your favorite male, you feel me? And just start waving it. Like, it is possible. I can show you a little clip, you feel me? If I do, I'll insert it. All right, but what we finna get ready to do, we finna oil the blood clot scalp. Now let me stop. We finna oil the scalp with biotin premium hair oil. This is my first time actually using it, so it's kind of just like, we're gonna see if it works. If you guys used it before or you know of the product, you can definitely drop a comment in the comment section and let me know how it worked for you guys. But the way that I'm doing it now is sectioning my hair without a comb, you feel me? So the parts is looking a little crusty. But anyways, I'm sectioning the hair and I'm greasing my scalp. Make sure when you're doing it, you get in there. Like, you gotta really get in there, and you gotta, grease it up and do it to every single section. And that's basically what you're gonna be seeing me do right here.
Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. People still beauty, but I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision.
My guys, I'm telling you, man, when you start doing the massaging on the scalp, it really do feel good. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. But the same thing that you do to the other side, you gotta do it to the other side. You gotta do it to this side, and that's basically what's going on here.
Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. What you see, how I did it on the
Especially if you wear wigs, don't forget them edges. Introducing Milo Salsa. Oh guys, when I tell you, when I tried my best to make sure that you guys can see me braid. Hopefully you can learn that way, but if not, just let me know, because then I'll just do, you know, I'll do another one and I'll show you guys, so that'll be better for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is basically prep my hair for a wig, because I'm tired of doing my hair already. And yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna do 2 braids on the sides and period. If I must say, the braid out does look extremely nice, especially if you have a blowout or you use like the flat iron to straighten your hair, whatever it is, and you choose to braid your hair. Like these 2 braids, the curls are extremely nice. They're really thick and they're cute, but we're not doing that today. Once you finish braiding your hair, we're going to basically use some bobby pins, and we're going to take 2 of them because that's all you really need. And I'm going to crisscross applesauce them braids up and secure the braid by putting the bobby pin straight down, pushing it straight down. Normally I twist it and do all the extra stuff, but this time I guess I wasn't feeling it. But on this side I had to do it, which was basically insert the bobby pin inside the braid, turn it and push it down, and then tuck the ends and sides into the braid to protect my ends. Okay, bookies, it's time to definitely take off the mask. We finna take the mask off.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
I had this before, which was turmeric skin glowing cream, but I never really used it because I think last time I used it, it created this white paste on my face. And you know, it looks, you know, I thought it would make me be moisturized, but it wasn't. So I had to go in with the Be Pure Essential Ageless Collagen Nourishing Moisturizer Cream, which also contains niacinamide, which protects against sun damage, rebuilds healthy skin cells, brightens skin, prevents it from aging, and also treats conditions like eczema and acne. But overall, I'm going to moisturize my lips with Winter Candy Apple Nourishing Lip Mask from Bath & Body Works. Period. Skin looking nice. Period. Glow, glow, glow. I'm going to put my nose ring back in. Face mask did not come out the way I wanted it to come out for like a souvenir. But it's okay, you know. We'll try again next time. But I'm finna go take a nap. I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.